Hello. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are having a great day. Hold on to your seats because today, we're about to uncover the thrilling world of passive income with an incredible platform called Nodepay. Get ready to transform your idle internet and data into real rewards. Nodepay is your gateway to earning passive income by contributing to the future of AI. In this video, we'll explore Nodepay, how to start earning, and why Nodepay is the perfect choice. Nodepay is a decentralized platform revolutionizing AI training and development. Share your unused bandwidth and data to earn tangible rewards. Turn wasted resources into valuable assets, fueling a global network for AI innovation. Nodepay benefits both individuals and businesses. Individuals earn rewards by sharing extra bandwidth, while businesses access real-time data and training to enhance their AI models. It's a win-win for everyone. Earning with Nodepay is simple and rewarding. Earn by exchanging unused internet for passive rewards, contributing to data crawling, improving AI models with feedback and training, and unlocking bonus rewards by proving your humanity. Turning everyday internet usage into a lucrative opportunity has never been easier. With Nodepay, you'll join a global network to own and access AI. Control your data and contributions, turning your time, knowledge, and data into tangible income. It's more than passive income, it is a chance to contribute to a revolutionary AI ecosystem. Getting started with Nodepay is a breeze. Let me walk you through the simple steps. Feel free to pause the video to complete the steps. First, click on the link in the video description to get started. Confirm that you are a human and not an automated system. You will then arrive at this registration link. Fill in your email address and choose a username. Create a strong password. You will need to use a referral code to get started, and one is already pre-filled for your convenience. Read and agree to the terms and privacy policy by checking the appropriate box. Complete any additional human verification if required. Click the register button to complete your registration. Once you've successfully registered, you'll see this screen. And that is it. You are now ready to start your journey with Nodepay. Click on Back to Login to proceed. On the login screen, make sure to use the same email or username you registered with. Enter the password you created during registration. You can choose to check the Remember Me box for easier access in the future. Finally, click on Access My Account to proceed. Upon logging in, you'll be welcomed by a detailed dashboard similar to the one displayed here. To get earnings started, you'll need to install the Nodepay extension on your browser. You can find the installation links in the video description. After installing the browser extension, click on it to open the login screen. Select the login option. You'll be redirected to a familiar login page. Enter the same username or email and password you used during registration to access your account. Nodepay is also available for Android devices and can be easily installed from the Google Play Store. For your convenience, I have included a direct link in the video description. If you're using an iPhone, you're in luck as well. Nodepay is available for iOS, and you can find the download link in the video description. Return to the Nodepay dashboard to monitor all connected and disconnected devices. Here, you can view their IP addresses, connection duration, network quality, and the total points earned from each device. The dashboard provides a comprehensive overview to keep you fully informed. In the Missions and Rewards section, you'll discover numerous opportunities to earn additional rewards. In the Nodepay AI ecosystem, users can earn through both passive and active contributions. The greater your participation, the higher your earnings. You can explore different earning methods such as node validation, node data, node collect, node force, and node wars. Nodepay rewards you with a cryptocurrency known as Node Points. Withdrawing your earnings is straightforward. Navigate to the Earnings section. Then verify your email. Connect your withdrawal wallet. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one from the available options. Confirm your wallet address. Nodepay will automatically process your payment. Effortlessly cash out your rewards and enjoy the benefits. Node points unlock a myriad of opportunities within the AI ecosystem. Here is how you will be able to utilize them soon. Your node points will be converted into network ownership tokens, exchangeable for cryptocurrency or fiat. These tokens can be staked to become a network validator, earning additional rewards. You'll also be able to use points or tokens to access advanced AI tools and services, enhancing both personal and business tasks. Burn points to unlock exclusive features and tools in the Nodepay ecosystem. Active members gain high-value opportunities and access to new features. Dig your points in dashboard games for a chance to win more points or unique prizes. These options make your node points valuable assets in the evolving AI ecosystem. Boost your earnings by sharing your invite code with friends and family. Earn 20% of your friends' earnings through direct referrals. Earn 10% of your friends' earnings through second-level referrals. Earn 5% of your friends' earnings through third-level referrals. This tiered referral system maximizes your passive income by expanding your network. In the Nodepay dashboard, navigate to the Referral Program tab. Here, you can view both current and past referral campaigns, as well as check the list of people you've referred. The Medal and Boost tab allows you to see the campaigns you're participating in and track your progress within them. It also displays the medals you have accumulated so far. I must say, it is a very well-designed and engaging gamified interface. The transaction history keeps a record of all your transactions. And there you have it. That is Nodepay, your essential browser extension and mobile app for passive income. So, why wait? Join the Nodepay community today and start earning passive income while playing a crucial role in the future of AI. Sign up now and turn your unused internet and data into valuable rewards. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more passive income videos and guides. Click the notification icon to be informed every time I post a new video. You can also bookmark my website, the link for which is provided in the video description. See you in the next one soon.